Hello friends, I'm Anisha from Ayurveda, and today we are going to talk about a very simple remedy to remove stress and be positive in life. It is a well-known fact that people who think positive, lead a healthier life, are more happy in their married life, and also lead a successful career. But the point is how to be happy, how to be stress free. हम लोग खुश रहने के लिए बहुत कोशिश करते हैं। कभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ मूवीज जाते हैं, तो कभी गॉसिप सेशन करते हैं, कभी कॉफ़ी पीने जाते हैं। बट वो जो भी खुशी होती है वो कुछ क्षण के बाद ख़त्म हो जाती है, और उसके बाद फिर से हम लोग एक नेगेटिव मूड में चले जाते हैं। इज देयर एनी रेमेडी which can always make us feel positive, stress free, and happy? Yes, I have a remedy in the form of an aromatic oil. This oil is called the positive thinking oil or the be positive oil. All you have to do is just smell the oil, inhale for 2 minutes, apply it on your navel, a little on your temples and your forehead, and within few minutes you will feel the difference. You will feel positive, your stress will just go away, and you will feel happy. Trust me and trust this oil. For further queries, I'll give you a WhatsApp number.